sitting in a bathroom or living room, holding a waxing kit, looking nervous. So I did something incredibly dumb. I let my partner wax me. And let's just say, it was not the best decision of my life. You'd think waxing is just apply, pull, done, right? Wrong. Today, I'll take you through my horrifying yet hilarious experience of getting waxed by my partner. Buckle up, because this is going to be painful literally. Why waxing? Casual explanation with infographic-style visuals. Before we dive into my tragic tale, let's talk about why people even wax in the first place. Smooth skin that lasts longer than shaving, removes hair from the root, making regrowth finer, exfoliates the skin, removing dead cells, and, apparently, it's supposed to be not that painful. Spoiler, it is. The setup, WHAT could go wrong. My partner and I thought, how hard can this be? We watched a couple of YouTube tutorials, grabbed a waxing kit, and set up in the bathroom like total pros, heating the wax check, applying it correctly, check so we thought, confidence level high, actual skill level 0. The first strip regret hits immediately. Okay, so the first strip goes on like, cool, this is fine. Partner presses it down, counts to 3, and cut to a dramatic slow motion pull, and my face in absolute agony. I think I saw my entire life flash before my eyes. The pain was unreal. It was like my skin was getting ripped off along with the hair. Midway disaster, things go from bad to worse, so here's where things really fell apart. Some patches wouldn't come off completely. Partner starts panicking. I'm sitting there, wax stuck everywhere, questioning my life choices. Some strips only removed half the hair. Wax residue stuck like glue. Pain level now at, why did I do this? Partner laughing instead of helping. Aftermath, the suffering continues. You'd think the pain stops after waxing, right? Wrong. Now, my skin is on fire. There's redness everywhere, and I look like I got attacked by a swarm of bees. Applying ice packs a must. Googling how to remove wax, desperate times. Vowing never to do this again, 100% yes. Professional vs DIY waxing. So, would I do this again? Nope. Next time, going straight to a professional. Here's why. Pro waxing, less pain, better results, no disasters. DIY waxing, risk of burns, stuck wax, regret. D. Some things are best left to professionals. Never again. So, what did I learn? 1. My partner should never be trusted with wax. 2. Pain tolerance is a lie. 3. Maybe shaving isn't so bad after all. Have you ever tried DIY waxing? Was it a success or a disaster? Tell me in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed watching me suffer. And if you want to see more crazy challenges, hit that bell icon. Until next time, stay smooth, or at least try to hashtag waxing fail, hashtag DIY waxing, hashtag men grooming, hashtag funny fails, hashtag self-care.